Integrating AI is now without doubt no longer a new thing for tech and industrial firms. With the technological evolution, what's new about AI's involvement is its applications.
The AI that we use is more or less basically on the front line, okay, on the upstream of our development. But definitely, thinking about how AI will be used in the devices, we have also to find a way to make sure that we provide the right display technology to be compatible with AI requirements.
AI's march into the industrial sectors is more or less inevitable.
This will be the standard in the future of the complete automation, factory automation concepts.
China's robotics market, including automation market, is the world's largest and the most demanding. I think if one can have a spot in the China market, it can have a spot in the world. AI is of the greatest importance.
From semiconductor materials makers to automation suppliers, they all have a big ambition in AI development. As a major display material maker, Merck Electronics has been working on upgrading its products, including organic light-emitting diode or OLED materials, to keep up with the constant demand for upgrades in consumer electronics.
One of the specific aspects of AI chips is that they use and need a lot of power, okay? And moving forward with AI embedded devices like notebook, laptop, or smartphones, we have to find a way how to redirect the power from the display to the chip itself, meaning for us as material suppliers, we have to find ways to provide mixtures which will use less power in order to provide that power back to the AI chips. For us, it's very key to collaborate and partner with the different panel makers in the industry. That's the reason why for us it's very, very important to continue to invest locally. We have been implementing for the last 2 years OLED manufacturing, now also in China, in Shanghai area, where we do the purification step of OLED materials.
With just this small box, a factory can get an accurate assessment of the condition of machines on its production line to predict when they'll need maintenance. German pneumatic and electric automation technology provider Festo has been mass-producing this AI-driven product. The very first unit came out of its production plant in China's Shandong province.
We offer this already to the automotive tier 1 customers. And they already placed orders to us. They're already working with us on AI integration in their productions. We started since last year, and we are now scaling up the cooperation in this year. This is the pulse of the trends in the future here in Shanghai. Very competitive market, and everyone try to find their unique selling points, and innovation is one of the focus to be competitive. For the next 5 years, we are very confident to continue growing.
Japanese robotics maker Fanuc started research in AI a decade ago, but it was only in recent years that it's made major breakthroughs.
In recent years, with the development of computer science, computing power, and chip tech, a part of our AI-driven products have entered into mass production and are used in real production scene. While 10 years ago, it was more like a concept. China has the most robotics application scenarios in the world. So our Shanghai team is closer to our Chinese customers, and it's easier for us to support and realize our Chinese customers' demands.
Fanuc has now applied AI to its robots for quality control on automotive production lines. Looking into the future, generative AI has caught the attention from many industries, and investors are waiting to see it being picked up and used by more and more businesses.
If you look at PE/VC investment into AI and machine learning, that has peaked back in 2021 with an annual investment, a total amount about $60 billion. But generative AI is actually a new thing, which if you look at the global market in terms of investment from venture capital and PE investment, is roughly $1 to $2 billion a year, which has reached the highest mark back in 2023. VC and PE investment into generative AI is still at very early stage. We'll still see maybe 2 or 3 years of a runway until we see a successful exit case.
Since 2018, Shanghai has been on a fast track of developing AI. In 2023, Shanghai was home to 348 large AI firms, almost double that in 2018. 34 made in Shanghai large AI models have been approved for public use nationwide or integrated into the manufacturing, finance, and robotics sectors.